It's finally here, the ultimate package. But what's inside? You get 100 transitions and the matching sound effects. On top of that, you also get the amazing Real Buddy, plus 1,000 bonus sound effects. This package is amazing. So go to rvisual.store and check it out now. Plus, if you want to win one of 3 amazing prizes that includes the ultimate package, you can go ahead and stick around to the end of the video where I'll get into the giveaway details there. But first, how about we go ahead and check out all of the transitions and the sound effects that are included in this package. That pack is absolutely amazing. There were so many transitions and sound effects that all match together perfectly. And we're doing the live stream giveaway on Wednesday, the 30th at about 9 or 10 a.m. Eastern Time. It's not too late for you to enter the contest where you can get 3 amazing prizes. Just go ahead, check out this video here, follow the instructions, and I'll see you in the live stream.